Yo, 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 what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome again to my channel, Zinovision. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can download and install European roads for your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. This is going to be an easy tutorial, so stay tuned. Also, the roads will look like this, how I have it now, and you'll have the option to download for 5 different countries. The version I'm using right now is the Dutch, but they will all be the same steps. So yeah, before we get started, I would love for you to smash that like button and that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started and close up Grand Theft Auto. Okay folks, to make this work we're gonna need to download a few files, so let's not waste any time and go to the first website. That's gonna be European Road Textures at this link right here. I cannot leave that link in the description, so just hover over or look this up or go join my Discord. I can leave the link right there. Let me just show you for the lazy people where you can find it. This is my Discord server right here. We have a support page, feel free to join, and the link you will find is right over here. GTA Custom Maps. That's going to be this link right here. Also, the person that made this texture, road texture, you can find it, his server link also in the description. Join that also because they have a lot of awesome things also for 5M. I'm also going to make a video for 5M, so don't forget to join that server also. Back to the download of the file. Let's go ahead and download it and let it load up. Okay, let's open it up, double click on it, go to download links, and here you'll find a link to download the Dutch version. You have 5 options: France, German, Swedish, Italian, and Dutch. And there will be more, and there will be continuously updated, so I highly recommend this plugin here. So I'm already downloaded on the left side, just waiting for it to get completed. Okay, after that is done, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna extract it. Right click on it and just hit extract, let it do its magic. Okay, after that let's open it up. We here have the files we need and a readme. So let's go ahead and open our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. Okay, we are going to be needing our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder on the left side. On the right side we have the Dutch roads. As you can see, I have a lot of Grand Theft Auto main directory folders. That's because I like to make backups. If I do something wrong, I can always return, delete that old folder and use the newer folder. It's very easy to do. If I want to use the LSPDFR version, hold on. If I want to use the LSPDFR, oh, sorry about that. So if I don't want to use this one but the LSPDFR version, I'll change this to NVE because this one's NVE, which doesn't really matter. Oh, it's in use currently. Oh no, I already have a NVE. This is clean. Sorry, this is a clean version. There you go. And if I want to use LSPDFR, I just go like that, and then I'm using the LSPDFR version. But for this version, we're gonna use the clean version. So let's change that back. Okay, that's done. We're gonna now use this one. It automatically recognizes that one. Where's my Rockstar launcher? Right here. So yes. So we're gonna need OpenIV. Let's open up OpenIV. If you don't have OpenIV, I'll leave also the file of OpenIV in my Discord channel. Where's my Discord? Let's go here and to GTA resources. And where is OpenIV? Right here is OpenIV. You can see it right here. You can just download it. It will download automatically. Currently their website is down. If you want from their website itself, it's right here. It says right here, number 4. Yep. Link or file here above. So after you open it, as you can see, it's the first time on the clean version. So after you downloaded OpenIV, just install it quickly. That's very easy. Then this will be the first screen. Let's hover over to searching for OpenIV in our Windows. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Click on Windows. And let's wait for it. Okay, this will be your first screen right here. This orange bar, click on what can I do, click set permissions, click OK, close, go to tools, go to ASI manager and click on install. install, click on yes to create a mods folder, click on install, and there you have it. And it is that easy. Now we can close up OpenIV and reopen it. So this is actually really good for y'all, for the people that don't have OpenIV yet. I showed you instantly also how to install this. So now we're gonna go to the DLC packs. We have a mods folder, but it's empty. For y'all that does have a mods folder, you probably know how to get to your DLC lists. Let's go to from the main directory. Let's go to update x64 DLC packs. So, and let's turn on the folder right here. 1 second. Okay, so now we can copy this. Let me just go back so I don't make any so it'll be clear to you. We'll go to x64. We'll go to update x64 DLC packs, and we're gonna just grab one of these patches right here. It doesn't matter which one. Let's go with the one with this one, DLC, and then we'll click on copy the mods folder. That's the only thing we need to do. Copy to mods folder, and you will be automatically redirected to the mods folder, as you can see. Mods, update, x64 DLC packs, patch day 9. We're gonna go one step back to DLC packs. We're gonna delete this. We don't need that. Okay, now if we just to show y'all, we have now a mods folder, an update x64 DLC pack. We're gonna select these two files that we downloaded, select them, just drag and drop them. Again, if you don't have edit mode on, it won't work. See, why is the other one not there? Hold on. Oh yeah, it is there. They're both there, as you can see. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is we're gonna go back over to GTA 5. We're gonna go to update, common, data, yes. And here we have the DLC list, but we're gonna copy the mods folder again. Just click on mod, copy the mods folder. It will copy all these folders right away to mods folder, mods, update, common, data. We're gonna search for the DLC list. It's gonna be right there. We're gonna right click on it, hit edit, and we're gonna go all the way down. Okay, we're gonna select this last line like I am selecting. Make sure you do the exact same, because I've gotten so many support tickets of they either skipping one or the line is not correct. So just like how I am doing it, I copied it, click enter, click paste, go to the folder, copy the name, double click here, it will select automatically the whole name, paste it, copy the last line again, click on here, hit enter, paste it, and copy the second name. So you want to make sure, like I am, copying it and pasting it so you do it exactly correct and nothing can go wrong. So that's it. The next step for us is to open up Grand Theft Auto and see if it's working. So let's do that. Again, this is on a clean version. Nothing else has been installed on this version right here except this and the OpenIV, what we just did. So if you have a clean version, then this will work for you exactly the same as how it's working for me. Just turn that off, that on, yes. So meanwhile it's loading. This is a good moment for you to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. Okay, and after installing it, this is what you'll get. A awesome road. What a difference. I absolutely love it. I hope you love it too. So it's pretty easy to install it. It's just quickly download those files. Most half of this whole tutorial I've been explaining where you can get it and everything, so maybe a bit time wasted on that, but besides that, it's just a quick installation and the quality you get is amazing. So stay tuned, definitely stay tuned on the Discord server. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope everything was clear. Give me some feedback if it wasn't, and yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So again everyone, thank you for watching and goodbye.